My name is 6Pence, and today we're going to be doing a bird's eye video. Bird's Eye is a frozen food company, and you can buy them in mix packs, or you can buy single packs, which is just like one thing, like just asparagus or just corn. And Bird's Eye asked me to do this video because not enough kids are eating a healthy diet, which is 9 out of 10 aren't eating enough vegetables, and it's important to keep a healthy diet. So this is Bird's Eye steam fresh frozen vegetables, and let's get started. Pew, 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 pew. Ta-da! This is what we made, and it's just a smiley face using the Bird's Eye steam fresh mixed vegetables and the Bird's Eye lightly seasoned chicken flavored rice. So now you should do this at home, like play with your food. Well, your parents probably don't want you to play with your food, but get creative at your dinner plate. So whenever your mom hands you a bunch of peas and carrots and vegetables, just move them around with your fork. It's gonna be really cool, and it's really tasty. Bye-bye.